visits to my business location. As you saw in our first step-by-step campaign creation video, the process becomes hassle-free when you proceed as instructed. The present and upcoming Section 3 videos will follow a similar streamlined path, so stay tuned to learn how to create a set of ads that will respond to all of your customers' needs. Getting started. Sign into your Bing Ads account, go to the Campaigns tab and hit the Create Campaign button to continue. Select Visits to my business location, because your advertising goal is to create a campaign that will lead potential customers to your business. Campaign Settings. This is the basic configuration section. Enter a name for your campaign in the Campaign Name field. Now, let's set up your budget in the Campaign Budget. Your daily budget will be set at $20, but you can change this number according to your needs. Now, check Individual Budget if you want to use this specific amount for this specific campaign, or check Apply a Budget from your shared library if you plan to use a fixed budget from your campaign library. Click on Daily Budget options below. Select Standard if you want to spend your budget evenly through the day, or select Accelerated if you want to spend your budget as quickly as possible. Now, select the language of the websites where your ads will show up, and then select the geographical locations where to serve your ads. You can show your ads in your region, or you can select specific countries, states, and regions where your ads will be served by checking the Let me choose specific locations option. In the Who Should See Your Ads section, you can select to show your ads only to people in your targeted locations or to people searching or viewing pages about your targeted locations. Or you can simply leave both options checked, which is recommended in some instances. Now, click on Save and continue to the next step. Ad Groups and Keywords. Now, let's create your ad groups and your keywords. Enter the business website or the landing page URL that you'll be using within this ad group in the corresponding field. If you don't have a website or landing page prepared yet, check the My Website is Not Ready box. Enter a name for your ad group in the ad group name and enter your keywords in the field below. You have to separate each keyword with commas or by writing one keyword per line of text. You'll notice that keyword suggestions will start to appear on your right based on the text in your website address and the names of products and services that you enter in the keywords field. This is okay, and you don't have to worry about it. You can use the suggested keywords if you see them fitting for your campaign. Click on Add New Ad Group if you want to create a different ad group to target a different set of keywords. When you are done creating your ad groups, click on Save and go to the next step. Ads and Ad Extensions. Here you'll create your ads. Click on Create Ad to get started. First, select your ad type. We recommend you select Expanded Text Ads, because this type of ad will give you more options when it comes to adding additional information to your ad units. Now enter the website where you'll be taking your customers in the final URL field. Then enter your ad title in the title field. You'll notice that there are two title fields. You can use the second title if you need to expand the title. Due to this being an expanded text ad, you can define a path. As you might remember, paths are words that can be added at the end of your URL to make them more detailed. Paths are especially useful when your URL leads to a subpage whose address is a long string of alphanumeric characters. In this example, we will simply add the word Learn to illustrate the point. Lastly, add a description to your ad in the Add Text field and a mobile URL in the Mobile URL field if you have one. Click on Save to close this window when your ad is complete, or click on Save and Create Another if you want to create a different ad. Let's talk about ad extensions. As you can see, they are different than those featured in the last video because each advertising goal is defined by these extensions. The last video featured extensions that are designed to lead people to your website, such as site link extensions and detailed snippet extensions, because the advertising goal was to make people visit your website. The advertising goal of this campaign is to make people visit your business location. So the extensions featured are designed to get people to learn where your business is located by showing them your business's address and phone number with the location extensions. You'll have to enter the corresponding information on each extension to make your ads work towards your original campaign advertising goals. We'll detail how to set up each extension for each advertising goal in a following video. So let's proceed by clicking on Save and go to the next step. Budget and bids. Here's where you can make the final adjustments to your budget and where you manage your bids. The campaign budget section features the same configuration options present in the first step. So if you want to make changes to your original budget plan, this is the time. In the bid strategy section, you'll be able to choose how to set up your bids. With manual CPC, you'll be able to manually set a fixed amount to spend on each bid, and with enhanced CPC, you'll be able to let the system adjust each bid for you, so you can get more conversions. Note that the amount of the bids can get high if your competitors are entering higher than usual bids. In the Ad Group Bid section, you'll be able to see the estimated number of clicks your ads will get, the estimated monthly impressions, your estimated monthly spending, and your estimated average position according to your bid amount. In the Advanced Campaign Settings, you can adjust your bids according to location. Schedule your ads by setting a start and end date, and program your ads to be shown only on certain days and times of the day. You can also adjust your bid amounts depending on the device where your ads are being served. In Ad Distribution, you can select how to distribute your ads across the Bing Search Network, but we recommend you leave this at the default settings. Finish by clicking on Save to continue. Your new campaign is ready to run. You can check and edit it in the Campaigns tab.